Let's see. All right. I'm restarting again. Yep. I'm restarting. Hopefully it's good. Not sure. Okay, let's see. Hi, Eileen. It's time for you to go. That's weird. Hey, is it starting? I don't want to go, really. You know I miss you very much, right? Yeah, okay. Oh, I see. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see. How come guys? Can you hear me? Oh my god. Is it starting? I'm not sure. Seems like it's not starting at all. Hi guys, can you hear me? Hello, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. There's a lot of delays today. I'm going to extend it to make it up. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see if this works. Hopefully it works. Okay, that's weird. How come doesn't seems like my live streaming is going on? Yes, your live is on. Yeah, what? Okay. I cannot. No, I cannot see myself. That's why I'm wondering if my live streaming is on. Yeah. Are you sure you are watching that? Really? Ali? Are you sure? How come I don't see any? That's weird. Oh my god. Ali, can I have a final test? Okay, final try. Okay, if you can hear me, can you give me a reply on that? All right. Hi Ali, 1 2 3, 3 2 1. Yeah. 1 2 3, 3 2 1. Yeah. Everything is going great. I'm watching here. Is that so? Yeah. Hi. How about the rest? Are you with me? What about the rest? Are you with me? Okay, let me check if you guys can hear me. All right. Hello, 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay, testing 1 2 3. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. Can hear. Okay. Thank you very much. That's good. Finally. You are back. All right. Thank you, Ali. I guess should be okay. Let's try it out. I'm not sure. Okay. All right, so let's see. Okay, guys, once again, okay, thank you, Alexander. Thank you very much. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay, so let's come back here quickly. Thank you, Ali. Thank you very much for your help, and Alexander for your suggestion. Okay, so yeah, and let's see if that works. Okay, hopefully it works. Yeah, and well, let's take a look now. Come back here. It looks like we are now testing back into this area. Right. Hey, have a great stream. Hey, thank you very much. All right. Thank you so much for your prompt assistant. Okay. Okay, so once again, all right, let's see if over at this point here, we are now coming in. Yep. Well, for right now, okay, looks like this power dollar is still retesting. We are still back into the resistor area to retest the resistance over here, correct? Wow, it looks like now it's very good. Okay, so right now we are still testing into this level here, so waiting to see if there's another pushback. Okay, if there's another pushback, it should be better, but now it's not so good now. Okay, it is not very good now to see. Okay, so to look at this. Okay, yeah, and well, for this case over here, all right, for this case over here, let's wait for a while. Let's wait for a while because it's actually coming into the area here. This area, okay, try not to take any action, okay, because this action over here is actually we can see that this area here, there may be a lot of action. It may be a lot of buying and selling in this area here, but it all depends on which direction is actually closing to. For now, it's actually closing down below the area. Am I right? So it looks good. Okay, I will say it looks good. All right. Okay, but the thing is that now, okay, into this area here, it's still very tight. Okay, this area here is still very tight. All right, this area here is still very tight. It's still not a very good, not a very fantastic area for us to take action yet. For now, I mean now. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's a fantastic one. Okay, fantastic service. I mean, okay, so yeah. So let's wait for a little while. Okay, hang on first. Yeah. I still see there's a lot of action here. They cannot make up their mind yet. Okay, they still cannot make up their mind. All right. Okay, so since they cannot make up their mind over here, but generally, if this is going to close above, we can see the move is actually now moving towards the north. Correct. So no action taken into this area. Okay. Just now, whoever will take the trade over here, either you hit your TP, or if you are still holding on, yeah, into this area here, this may be the area that you may be considering about your stop. Okay, well, because we still have a resistance over here. Okay, this is the final call. All right, so this area, if this is going to break above, then we got no choice but to call for a stop. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, so let's see if this is going to bring it down again. All right, if this is going to bring it down to break lower, okay, that's fine. Okay, but if this is going to hold here as a support, as you can see now, it seems like there is a support here. Correct, right? All these are the higher support area. Then it doesn't look good anymore once it breaks above, because this area is a selling structure forming down, but it seems like there's a break of structure as well. Correct, there's a break of structure. So in this case, which is no good, all right, over here, then probably this may not be as good to go for selling anymore. Okay, this may not be good for selling anymore. All right. Okay, so over at this point here, probably we may want to hang on for a little while. Okay, yeah, for selling, we may need to wait for a little while because this area doesn't look so fantastic anymore. Okay, yeah, okay, we have to wait and wait for a while. Okay, wait for a while first. All right. Okay, but for the buyers, probably if you are looking out into buying, okay, this is not the area yet. This is also not the area yet. Okay, yeah, because this area, it may be, there's a lot of hesitation here, and a lot of indecisiveness here. So it will be good if buyers, if you're looking for buying, it breaks above, set up a buying signal, then you go. Okay, but not for now. Okay, not for now. Right, not for now, huh? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So okay, so there's no more for, looks like there's no more for selling if this is going to close above. Okay, this area here. Yeah, let's see. Well, today finally it looks like they are closing out for some reclamation. Okay. Yeah. Then no choice, have to wait for a while. Let's wait. Okay, but anyway, like I say, pound dollar is still as a bull. As a bear. Am I right? Okay, it's still running as a bear. So if this is going up to take this area, then from there, if you hold as a resistance, then we can come back for the selling. We will have about 35 pips to go. Okay, then we have 35 pips. Okay, yeah. Then I think it will be better. Okay, we can wait for a while. Okay, let's wait and see if this is going to take this area. Yeah. Okay. Right, yeah, and now let's see, they are testing into the peak of this area here to see if they are going to break out of this area. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Well, today there's a pullback here. That's what you said. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Just now was very close. To go further down. Yeah, if this is going to break lower of this, then it will be so good. Correct? But it did not. Unfortunately, it did not. Yeah. Okay. So since it did not break lower to test, just now I was talking about this, right? When the lower resistance has been formed, this area is for a scalping area. Yeah, 5 or 8. Yeah, some of you take a 5. I think you already taken your profits. After that, it did not break lower. Once it did not break lower, okay, over at this point here, it doesn't look good. So after that, it retests to come back again to see if there's another lower, but it doesn't go any lower again. So not that promising once again. But then now, of course, it's not, because it's closing above. So likely to see that it should be going above. Okay, it should be still on the buy side. Okay, should still be going on the buy side to go for this area. Okay, to take this 121.74.1. Okay, so we should have about 10 pips up there. All right, about 10. Yeah. Okay, so this area. Okay, so this area here. So this area, okay, if this area is going up, let's say it's going up, then after that it's going to stop here with the resistance level. Then after that it started to swing down again. Okay, forming the selling structure once again. Then probably Yeah, probably in the next H4 hours, then there will be a good selling off. Okay, there may be a good selling off in the next H4 hours. Yeah. Yes, that's right. Okay. Yes. Okay, 30 minutes. We are 30 minutes up. 你应该要走了吧？时间到了哦。Okay. Okay. Don't rush when you need to drive. Okay. 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 Yep. See you. See you. All right. Okay. So yep. Let's see. Okay. Once again, let's check and to see if this is going to be this is confirmed here. Okay. This is going to close above here or it will come back again. Okay, of course, I mean it's still good to see that it should still continue to go above, continue to go on the buy side. Okay, continue to go on the buy side. Then after that, later on, when there's a selling off, then we will look out for the selling. Okay, yeah. Okay, so with this, all right. Okay. Let me check. Yeah. Right, over here, let's take a look. Hang on. We're waiting for the H4. Okay, waiting for H4 opening. Page 4, let's see. H4. Okay. Yeah, the H4. Okay, so if the H4 is going to close above, it looks like the pullback is going to be quite strong today. Yeah. Okay, we are closing above. Correct. We are closing above the area here. Right. So probably we'll have some pullback. Then after set up the buy, probably the buy will come in. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. There's still chance. I mean, we have still this area now. They are taken out the highs here. Okay, the highs has been taken out. So the lows over here, right, has not been taken out yet. Okay, so there may be a chance. Okay, but we still need to find a good chance to sell off. Okay. Yeah, a good chance to sell off. Yeah. But I don't see there's any good chance yet. Still have to wait for a while. Yeah. Hang on. Anyway. Okay. Yeah. If there isn't any, then we got no choice. Yeah. But like I say, we have to sell off. We need to sell off at key levels. Okay, some key levels to form a selling structure. Okay, then we'll see good chance of selling. Okay, then after that, then we go for the selling. All right. If not, then highly likely it's not good to go for selling right now. Especially like I say, over into this area here. Try to avoid this area. Okay, try to avoid this area. I mean the entry. Okay, but of course, if you enter, let's say there's a resistance up here, okay, and it's selling off down, you're holding the trade down into this area. Of course, you will meet some turbulence here. Okay, you will meet some turbulence into this area. Then after that, it breaks through, then it will still continue to go down. Okay, yeah. Okay, so but looking at this area, but once it broke off, okay, break above, okay, then once you break out of this to go for the buy, then I see this area should not be any problem anymore. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, and let's take a look at the. Well, it seems like this level is a bit torturing, right? Okay, yeah, but not surprised, not surprised, but I'll be waiting for it to seems like waiting for it to form some setup of a buy. Okay, it's still closing back down into this area. It's still closing back down into this area. Then it's better to wait. Okay, it's better to wait. All right, yeah, it's better to wait for a while. Yeah. I see that good chance there to go further up first. This may be only a little pullback. Yeah, it may be a little pullback only. Yeah. So okay, let's check. I mean we still have some. Okay, we still have some area here. Yeah, some supports here, I think. Yes. It may be just going up to take up the stop and then it back to the selling. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe. I'm not sure. Alright. Yeah. Okay, maybe that may be the case. Okay, but not sure yet. So better to observe further. Okay. Yeah. It has been a few days that it did not take the liquidity. I think probably okay, probably it has already you know it has already been a few days. Yeah, so still waiting. Okay, still waiting. Let's see how it goes first. But anyway, right now in this area, it's not a nice place to trade. Okay, it's not nice. It's not a nice area to go. Yeah, it's better to get out of either side. Okay, it's good to get out of either side. Let's say it's going to swing down, close below, and retest back. Right. Then after that, to swing down again as another resistance. Then I think that's pretty fine. I think that will be pretty fine. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Because over here. Okay. Let's see. Over here, probably there may be some setup of the support in here to push it out, to push out of this area. Okay. I won't be taking any action right now because, like I said, this area is going to be crazy. Okay. Yeah, so better not to. Yeah. There's a lot of indecisiveness inside here. So better to wait for a while. Especially you see here, I mean from this area. Resistance here, and when it comes in down, all has become a support. So this may be the area, okay, around here, right? 121,548. It may form as a support to push even higher, to push out this area to go higher, right? It's possible. Okay, it's possible, right? Will it drop down by this area here? Well, anything is possible. It's a matter of the probability right now. Okay, if you're looking into the chart here, let's say, okay, we had taken out the highs, the low has not been taken out yet. Okay, and we are in the area of indecisiveness. So this area, okay, we may want to observe further. Okay, let's observe further. Yeah, observe further before we take action. Okay. I think it's good to observe further. Yeah, don't take any action right now. I think not worth the risk. What do you think? Yeah. Okay. How do you get in touch with the trend line? Okay, in touch of the trend line, you can do this. All right. Do this trend line. It must be a minimum 3 touch. Okay, must be a minimum 3 touch. Then you will be able to plot out the trend line. Okay, a minimum 3 touch. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 touch. There are many different ways of reading the trend lines. Okay, some of them may be looking into this way. Okay. This way as a trend line. All right, yeah, but usually I think not the angle. Okay, so it's not that steep. All right, so you can look out for things like this. Yeah. Okay, so as of now, by looking into this, all right, yeah, I mean, I don't really use the trend line. Okay, I don't really use trend line because by reading the price action, I think is already good enough. Yeah. Okay. Indecisiveness in the area always does it always come slow? Yeah. It may not go slow, but it will be hovering around this area for a while. Okay, it may be hovering around this area for a while. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it also depends largely on how it moves, everything. Yeah. Well, especially like now we are about 15 minutes. We are 15 minutes away to H4 opening. I think it should be more to a point that observing how the movement is like is better. Okay. Yeah. It's better that way. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, sorry guys, just now earlier on with a lot of distortion. Okay, that I have to restart the live streaming. Yeah, so let me extend it a little bit longer. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, we are very interested in how the H4 opened, right? Okay. Okay. So yep, and yeah, let's see. Okay. Well, this looks like yep. Is it looking out for setting up the buy side now? We are still in the buying structure now. It's coming back to the buying structure now. Okay. But don't buy first. Okay, don't buy first. Stay out of this area before you take a buy. Okay, stay out of this area. Yeah. Because this area, like I say, is an indecisive area. It can went up and down within this area. So let's say if you enter a buy here, okay, you will be going up about 3 pips, down 4 pips, up 3 pips, down 4 pips. Okay. It may. Okay, it may. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that's why. Okay. All right. Okay, so like I say, it seems like it's going for a buy, correct? But now it's coming down for selling. Okay, so hang on. Yeah. I wish to see that the price get out of this area. Okay, get out of this area either way. But by looking at the swing here, by looking at this wave here, it looks more like buying should be coming in. It looks more like buying should be coming in. But we are in the area here. Yeah, so it's a bit funny, huh? Yeah, it looks like a bit funny over here. Okay, then we have to wait for a while. Yeah, just wait for a while. No. Hang on first. Yeah. Yes, Sabrina, hang on. Okay, hold your fire. Okay. Okay, let me see. We are about 10 minutes away. Yeah, 10 minutes away, so let's wait and see. Okay. Yep. Looks like it's coming for a lower low here. Well, then it seems like everything have to restart over into this area here. It's still held by this whole area. Okay, held by this whole area here. Let's see. Let's take a greater view. Seems like seems like this is going to hover around this area for a while, huh? Well, today, whether is it still going back for the selling? Is there any selling off again? Okay. Yes. Is George going to realize his profit? Maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay. Well, we are coming down to these 4 pips here. This area here, just now we are talking about this area, right? If you are selling all these about 4 pips, then now it seems like it got supported here. It's kind of pain, huh? That's the reason why I was saying that try not to sell in this area, because try not to sell or buy in this area, because it's going to give a lot of indecisiveness here. Then in the end we are going to struggle here. Okay, for me, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait for it to close right below, alright, below here, and then after that, if there's going to retest to form another selling off, yes, then I will be going in. Then I'll be going for the selling later on. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, alright. Wow, looks like it's actually still coming back for the selling, huh? Okay. Oh, well. Wow, okay, hang on, right. Yeah, don't chase the low. Remember, don't chase the low. Okay, cannot chase the low. It's going to stop soon. Well, let's see. Is it going to break away? Let's wait and see. All right. Wow, it looks like very long, huh? Okay, it peeps. Okay. Well, now it closed below. Right. Now it closed below, guys. Okay. So what's next? Next, I'll be waiting for a retesting. Okay. Then it will to form another resistance. Okay. I'll be waiting for a retesting. Hopefully the retesting can come. Okay, so to see that it is still, wow, okay. In the general view, let's take a look at the general view. Wow, this is, don't tell me it's going to close as a doji. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay. Yep. Looks like stopping at the support here. Can you see a support here? Right, there's a support over here. Okay, so let's see how it's going to form up the next one. In the next 15 minutes, yeah, next 15 minutes, I think fastest will be the next 15 minutes. Yeah, let's see. Well, today it seems like this is going to hover around this area here. Doesn't seem like it's getting any. Well, let's see. This whole area here. This is the area. It's quite a painful area, huh? Yeah. Okay. I think you got the trend line on just now, which is hitting on it. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look. Okay. Just now you're talking about this, right? Okay. Yeah. Right. So 1, 2, 3. Yep. Okay. So looks like it's breaking out of the trend line, huh? Well, let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay, so hang on for a while, and the next retest. Okay, the next retest, if it's still moving as a lower highs over here. Okay, then we can see it seems like the break of structure is there. Okay, then there will be a good chance. Okay. I almost chased the low. Yeah, don't chase the low, remember, okay? Okay, either let's say if it's really going down all the way, then we got no choice. Okay, take it as a miss. Then the next thing is to wait for it to break the support, then retest to go further down. Then there will be another area to enter. Okay, yeah. You're referring to Fernando. You're referring to which area? Are you going to read? Okay, you're talking about this area, right? For me, I'm talking about this area here. Since this push, okay, with this push over here, right, we can see that now it's actually taking out all this, correct? It's taking out all this. So once it's taking out all this, right, now it may have a new movement. So with this new movement, then we will look out for opportunity to sell off. Yeah. Yes, that's right. Okay, we are 1 minute away from H4. Okay, let's see. H4 is going to open soon. Okay. And H1 as well, moving this way. Looks like it's quite terrible here, huh? Okay. Okay, yeah. If this retest, the H1 is going to close in a very weird position, don't you think so? It depends, right? Because we can see a long wick up there. Okay, this long wick up here, it also shows that big selling. There's a lot of selling pressures. Okay, then probably we may also wish to see some good selling point. Okay, before we actually take action. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah, H4 has opened now. Alright, so over here, let's take a look at how H4 closed. Okay, H4 is closing like a doji here. Closing like a doji. So probably let's see if it's going to set up for the selling here. Well, for this area, with a resistance right below this area here, I see that there may be a good chance. Okay, there may be a good chance the temporary selling may be going on. Okay, but we need a resistance. Okay, we still need a resistance. Okay. Harami, yeah. No, not yet. It depends on how it closes first. Okay. Yeah. Into this area here. This area, if I'm going to take down this about 9 pips, but you see that it's actually closing onto the support level, correct? Let me take this. Okay, let me take a higher one. Down here, you can see we are actually stopping at the support area, correct? It's a support area over here. Yeah. Hang on. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. This area, to buy, to sell, I'm not sure. But I'm waiting for some good areas of a resistant area to sell off. Okay. Yeah. you know there are certain situations that we may have a lot of indecisiveness. Okay, for example, we have consolidation. We also have things like maybe it's going for a U-turn. Okay, yeah, so probably, yeah, but because of the selling pressure is still very strong. Okay, I see that perhaps, you know, we are still looking in, we are still waiting for a good chance to sell. Okay, currently we are in the selling area, but we don't have a good chance to sell yet. Okay, hi Soltech. Yeah, we are still waiting for a good area. Today is seems like the pound dollar is going to U-turn. Okay, it's going to U-turn, to look out for a good resistance up there before the selling. Okay, then again is that when now is at the edge of the at the verge of U-turn. Okay, is still meeting up with a lot of selling pressure. So when they are looking for U-turn for some reclamation, but at the same time the selling pressure is still there, we may experience a lot of waiting. Okay, we may experience a lot of waiting. So not surprised anyway. Yeah, so probably what we need to do is to wait for a good selling off. Okay, then we will shoot for it. Okay. Yeah, for now not yet. Okay, for now not yet. Yeah, I still see there's a lot of there's still some buying is still coming in. Okay, some buying is still coming in. Yeah, so still waiting for the good chance. Yeah, over here, huh? You're selling Soltech. Okay, you're selling. Okay, if they are selling, I see if there's a good chance if this is going to retest into the area here and to sell down. Okay, there will be a good chance to sell off to 121,280. 121,280. Okay, there may be a good chance there. Okay. Alright. But now we are experiencing some support here. We are experiencing some support areas over this area. Okay, so currently still waiting for a good chance for the selling. Okay, still waiting for a good chance for selling. Yes, yes. Let's see. Okay, right now, let's take a look at the general view. Okay, this one looks like we are also coming into an area that it seems like there's some areas still need to take note of. Okay, right guys, do give me a little while. Okay, I excuse myself to the key bell. Okay, I'm going to a toilet break. Okay, give me a little while, I'll be right back with you. Okay, thank you so much guys. Alright guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for your patience. Okay. Yes, today I'll be going a little bit longer, right? JJ, you're most welcome. Okay, I'll go a little bit longer today. Okay, maybe we end at M30 opening. Okay. Yes, because I'm going for my dinner and I have another class later on. Okay, so yep, I'm waiting for pound dollar back here again. I'm waiting for pound dollar to go on the retesting to form another lower resistance to sell off. Okay, but then again, this area we are still back into this area that it can be quite tight here. Okay. Yes, thank you so much. How do I pronounce your name? Klee, correct? Klee Cassia He. Klee Cassia He. Where are you from? I think this is the first time I see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. My name is Eric. I'm from Singapore. Yep. Oh yeah, by the way, let me try to see if my cam works. Okay. My cam works, but I hope it won't affect the streaming. Okay. Yeah, alright, so let's take a look over here. Okay, so this area, yeah, it seems like they are consolidating again. Okay, yep, hang on. Yes, good. Alright, let's see if they are going to retest this area to sell off. Okay, let's hope, let's see if there's a good chance so that Soltech will also collect his profit. Okay. Okay, so yep, we are still waiting. Alright. Yeah. Oh yeah, Cassius, right? Cassius from Uganda. Okay, that's my nickname. Oh, I see. Thank you very much. Wow, we have many friends from Uganda. Wow, nice. Okay, so hope you enjoy my stream so far. Okay. Yeah, I'm a full-time trader. I'm trading I'm trading on my own as well. So just come in and come in and share. Right. Hi, Waddy. Wow, it has been a long time. How are you, Waddy? How are you? Yes, hope you are well. Yes, I'm good. When I see you. Well, what's gold tracking like? Okay, it's bearish for the last 24 hours. Do you think there's a flip coming? Well, for the gold, yesterday we were talking about the gold. Yeah, we were talking about the gold yesterday. Yesterday we were talking about the gold target at 1905, but it breaks below, way below my targets. So we are from here. Yeah, yesterday was here to here, managed to go for another for 63 pips. It's only about 63 pips, so it went lower. I think it went lower after Mr. Bauman speak, which it gave a big push on the DXY, and further down it pushes down today. Will there be a flip today? By looking at it, okay, my personal target, I'm looking at 1870, 1870, 67. However, okay, we have a support nearby. All right, we have a support nearby. Okay, so probably we may need a little bit of time, which I'm actually looking at the price over here. We are right now. Okay, let me go into details. Right. Yep. So exact point here at 1890. I'm looking at 1890. 1890. There may be another 50 pips to go. But of course, currently by looking at this situation, it seems like still looking for some selling. Some selling off is still on the way. Okay, some selling off is still on the way. And let me see. And oh, it just broke out of this area. So there's a resistance over at this area here for me check. Let me go into details and see. 1899. Okay, 1899. So there's a resistance level here up 1899. But if this is going to break out of this area to sell off again, so if another resistance down, should be looking out into 1890. Should be looking out into 1890. But if this is going to pull back as a support, to close as a support later on, okay, which another 45 minutes will be the H4 opening for the gold, then there may be a pullback up here for 1899. Okay, so currently it seems like they are still trying to break down to break below 1895.90. Okay, but it seems like if this is going to close above, I think I would suggest to wait for the next hour. Okay, next hour it will have a better, clearer picture to see if this is going to close above to set up the support. It should go back to 1899. Then if this is going to close below, then we have to wait for a little bit longer to go for a selling down to 1890, 1890. All right, buddy, that's my take. Okay, my 2 cents count. Okay, all right, yeah. Sotec, oh, you're from Ethiopia. Ah, nice place. I know this place from the movie, and a few of them was also from also from Ethiopia, huh? Yeah, nice place. Yeah, yes. Cassius, indeed, this is my first time, but I like the way you analyze the market. Can I have time? You usually trade so that I can spend much time to be trading with you. Oh, thank you so much. MT4 time. Okay, EET plus 3 0800. Okay, 0800. I will be going for two hours. But today, because of my live streaming having a lot of hiccups, so I extended my hours. Yeah. Okay. So usually at EET plus 3, I'll be basing on MT4 time. Okay, 0800. Okay, to 1000 hours. Yeah. Okay. Yes, you're most welcome, Wadi. Hi, Shah Hussein, right? Okay. What about the Ukraine war? Is this effect Ukraine war? Well, Ukraine war more or less we were like last year. It has already affected, I think, over in 2022. Okay, last year the gold has already shoot up. Okay, I think the gold we have already shoot up to 206 something, right? Or 2081. 2081, huh? That's the high, I think. Okay, so after that, now I am actually looking out for the bear. I'm looking out for the bear in the gold market. Okay, I mean, of course, we are in a spot gold on and off. We can see there are some buying up and down, correct? But generally, I'm looking out for selling, and I'm looking at the price of 1870, 1870. Okay, 1870, 67. Now it is again the war start. Yes. Okay. Yeah, the war started again. Okay. Both are in the war. Yes, indeed. Hopefully things won't turn ugly. Okay, but by looking at the situation, okay, I will still see the gold should be still on the downside. It's still on the bear. Should be still on the selling side. Okay, to take at least 1890 down to 1870. Okay, 1870. So that is one. Okay, that is one point there. Okay, I'm still looking out for some selling because as I can see now is they are crossing down the EMA 50s and still moving towards. My target is actually 1870, 67. As for gold trading, for me, if I'm trading on the gold, okay, I usually go on the long term. Okay, I usually go on the long term. All right. So I'm looking at 1870. 1870.67. Okay, yeah. And yeah, pound dollar is going up. Yes, good. Pound dollar. Alright, let's come back to pound dollar. So pound dollar, pound dollar, we have an issue here. Pound dollar, okay, if you are going to shrink down the whole chart, we have been selling off for weeks, am I right? So this move today seems like the pound dollar is going to reclaim some losses. Okay, seems like, okay, hang on, not to worry, okay, but the selling pressure is still there. We are still in the bear. Well, we are still in the bear, okay, so I'm looking out into 121.74.1. Okay, once it actually move up to test into this area of resistance, yes, you can see here. If this is going to form a selling, right, the selling should be coming in here, right? Alternatively, because we are still in the bear and selling pressure still there, all right. For this situation here, I have a target down there, all right, which is about 121.280, 121.280. So I'm looking out for a chance that today you can see that from yesterday after the Bowman speaks, the selling off is here, came in, and we have created an area of indecisiveness. Okay, this area is an area of indecisiveness. So I'm waiting for a retest like now. Okay, so situation like this. Okay, so right now. Okay, so retest this to form a resistance. So you can see there's a top here. So there will be a lower resistance here. Then after that, it should have a breakout structure to go selling. Okay, as you can see, now we are on the buy side. Am I right? If you are having a trend line, okay, we are on the buy side. Okay, so for here, okay, looking into this area here, right? So it looks like we are still on the buy side. So we are still moving towards the north. So today, like I just mentioned earlier on, it's like a day that they are going to U-turn. Looks like they are going to U-turn. But they are trying to U-turn in the state of a very weak situation. They are going to U-turn in a very weak situation, am I right? Okay, so it's quite tough as well. Alright, it's quite tough. So just now I was suggesting, since there is an indecisive box here, I will suggest that if the price broke out, set up a buy signal again, then I will go for a buy up there. If this is coming down and retest as a resistance downwards, yes, then I will take a selling off. I will take a selling trade down here. Okay, yeah, so that's my take for the pound dollar. All right, okay, so for pound dollar, we have this area of support 121.398. Okay, so this is an area that we need to take note. But if the price able to break this, we should be going down to 121.280. 121.280. Okay, that means the buying failed, the U-turn failed, the U-turn mission failed. Okay, all right. So there will be good chance for the selling off. All right, yeah, but high chance to see that this should be selling off to take this at least. Okay. Yeah, so still looking out for some good chance to sell off. Okay. Yeah, when it's time to wait, I think we have to wait. We got no choice. You get what I mean? Alright. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah. Okay. So we have to wait for that. Okay. Yeah. Yes. I'm still looking at, because over here you can see there's a support level. Okay. All these candles, they stop at this level here. Yeah, it looks like if you are going to sell, it's also, you know, we have 18 pips from here, but you know, we are still struggling here. Okay, we are still struggling in this area. But looking into the general view for this, should be good. Yeah, it should be still good for the selling. It should be still good for the selling, right? But it may flow into New York session. It may flow into the New York session. Okay. Yeah, it may flow into the New York session. Yeah. Yes, Bradley, Eric is very patient. I'm a full-time trader, no choice. I have to be very patient to get the right trade. Am I right? Okay, so just I think there's a chance that this is going to push down for a selling, you know. There's a chance because I see some rejections when you go up. It tried to get into the box there, but it got rejected down immediately. There's a rejections downwards here. Okay, a rejections candle and a selling off from here, and it stopped at the support. So probably, yeah, okay, yeah. So looks like now is a good. Looks like it's going to sell off. Okay, pound dollar looks like it's going to sell off. It closed below the support area. Okay, but we still have wicks around here, right? We still have wicks around here. Okay, this area here. Okay, but can you see it's formed up as a resistance here? Correct? Yeah, so we have another lower resistance, lower highs here. So it seems like it's also forming up some selling. It started to form like a selling structure here. Earlier on, Hubert was saying that it seems like over here is a head and shoulder, right? Selling off here. Okay, so let's see if this selling off is going to test into the support area here. Okay, yeah, right. If this, okay, if you're selling pound dollar, okay, let's say you're selling now. This area we are going to meet up with a support. Am I right? Okay, so I can give you a suggestion is that because I'm looking out to 121,280, 121,280. So if there's a lot of chances, you know, it has been since the Asian market until the London now, until the London session, Japan closed until now. Seems like we are still hovering around this area. It still got rejected from this area here. So there may be a good chance the selling may be going down first to take this. Then after that, they may retrace back. Okay, that may be a possible move. Okay, so if sellers who are now selling the who are still selling the pound dollar, okay, like Soltech, okay, I'm a scalper. Okay, so I'll be taking 5 pips or maybe 10 pips, right? So over at this point here, by looking into this is a support. So usually I will take my profit before the support. Okay, yeah. So for this case, alright, for this case, I may not set any TP. Okay, I may not set any TP. So if this is going to break the support, I'm going to hold it down to 121,280. Okay, high chance that it will go to 121,280. Okay. Yeah, so but of course we need to break this support level first. Okay, we need to break this support level first. Okay, guys, all right. Yeah. Okay, so once again, and we also need to take a look at the rest of the time frame as a general view. Okay, because looks like M30 is closing, is opening soon. Okay, so hopefully to see M30 to close lower, okay, as a lower low there, so that we can see that we are not going to have any consolidation area. We can get out of that area, continue the selling. Okay, yeah, right. So Right, so this area here, yeah, I think it should be still looking good. Okay, I think it should be still looking good. Okay, then take it easy. All right, it will definitely take a while. Okay, it will definitely take a while. All right, yes, yeah, definitely, because yes, Sabrina, yeah, definitely will take a while, because today there seems that they are fighting to go to reclaim, to have some reclamation, but the selling pressure is still there. The selling pressure is still there, correct? So yeah, okay, yeah, so we have to be very patient with this trade. Yep. Okay, I have already entered the selling for the pound dollar. Okay, Sabrina. Okay. Yeah. So yep. Okay, and M30 has opened. Okay, let's see M30 how it goes. Okay. Usually I will once M30 open, I will take a look how's the M30 candle close. Okay, so well, seems like closing good. All right, so right here, then over at this point here, we may still have some support to be taken. Okay, 15, we are still moving. Candle are still moving lower than previous candle. Okay, looks like it's still going good, but still need to see if this is going to close lower. Okay, yeah. Okay, so hang on for a little while. Yeah. Okay. And well, okay, so this is still here around this area here. We have one final level, this area here. Okay, this area here. All right. Like I said, these are the areas from the start of the stream. We already said that this area are for the scalpers. Okay. This area are for the scalpers. Okay, so scalpers. Okay, so if you're entered, then about 3 to 4 pips now. Okay. Yeah, if you're, yeah, you can also choose to take 5. Why not? Okay, you choose to take 5 as well. Okay, no problem for that. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see how it goes first. Okay, yeah. Okay, I will. Okay. I will be ending my live streaming in about 5 to 10 minutes, guys. Okay. I can't bear to leave all of you alone. Okay, I love to trade with all of you. Yeah, trading alone is very boring. Do you guys agree? Yeah. Okay, so I love to trade together. Yeah. Okay, so let's hopefully. Yeah, we can form our community. Yes, we have our community here. Okay, so to hopefully to see more of you. Okay, joining in the community. Okay, yeah, I have a Discord channel. Yes, I've forgotten. I have a Discord channel here. Let me send out the link. Okay. Yeah. Feel free to join in. Okay, we have some updates according to my live streaming. Okay, whenever I go live, I will share the link inside there. Whenever I have to fly for seminars, then I will update all of you here as well. Okay, yeah. Okay. Then sometimes we have members inside having live streaming, like Casey, very nice. Okay, sometimes we have live streaming from him. Then we can learn from each other. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We have people from all over the world. Okay, so we are coming near to the support. Okay, we are coming near to the support. Let's see if we are going to push through. Okay, let's see if we're going to push through. This area, okay, this whole area, it looks like an inverse head and shoulder, am I right? Okay, it looks like an inverse head and shoulder. Yeah, so let's say if this is going to break through, it will have a break of structure. Okay, so it will be so much better. Then the selling will be so promising. Okay, so promising to reach 121 280. 121 280. Yeah, okay, I'm still looking at that area. Okay, basically it's quite a major, it's still quite a major support there. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah, alright, yeah, so guys, okay, before I go, usually I will give you my plans. Okay, for pound dollar, okay, if this is going to close below, right, nice, it's almost there. Okay, then we should see there should be some more selling off. Okay, right, retesting this area of 121 398. Okay, like now. Okay, then maybe some selling, retesting. Then from there, after that, we can go for some more selling off from there. Okay, more selling off from there. Okay, yeah. Hi Teapot. Hi Teapot. Thank you for joining in. Yeah, your name is Teapot. Different name from your YouTube. I don't know which one are you. Anyway, thank you very much. Okay, thank you so much. All right, just to be here to form a good community with all of us here. All right. Okay, so yes, and let's see. All right. Teapot. I see. So the same name, huh? Okay. Thank you very much, Teapot. Where are you from, Teapot? Okay. Please don't tell me you're from Cafe. Okay. We are a community of a very joyous community. Okay, so feel free and take it easy, relax. Okay, and share. Okay, right. I'm not the best trader, so we are learning from each other. Okay, all right. I'm just here to read out what is going to happen. Okay, my 2 cent counts. Okay, so hopefully it helps. Okay. Yep, and because today I have a lot of streaming hiccups, so I extended my hours. So usually I'm basing on MT4 time ET plus 3, 0800 to 1000, 2 hours. Okay, 1 hour before London market open. Yeah. Okay, so over here, I'm trying to break this support 121.39.8, 121.39.8. So if this is going to break and is going to retest and form a new resistance to sell down, yes, you can continue to hold it. Okay, that will be a good one to continue to hold. All right. Okay, then of course, let's say if this is going to form as a support. Okay, if this is going to form as a support, then probably we may looking up to this level of area as a resistance down here to retest. It may go back here to retest at 121.449 to swing down again. If the retesting to form resistance is successfully done up, okay, then we have a good chance to swing down again. Okay, but why am I keep talking about 121.280 here is because this is very promising. Okay, if you're looking into in the bigger time frame of day 1, okay, you can see that this is one of the support area there. Okay, it's very promising there. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So yep. And hi Soltech. Yeah. Thank you for joining in as well. Thank you very much. Okay. So that should be all for today. Right, guys. I will be back tomorrow once again. The streaming should be okay. All right, with the help of Alexander and the tech the technicians. Okay, I think for the past 1 hour plus is running very smooth, right? Okay, so hopefully tomorrow will be good as well. Right, so thank you so much, guys. All right, thank you E, thank you Teapot. Well, thank you for coming in. I wish you good luck in your trading with bountiful profits in pound dollar to swing down into 128, 280 for Soltech as well. Okay, and really grateful for all the helps when I have technical issue. Okay, guys. If you find that this video is really, this streaming is good for you, do remember to smash the like button for me, huh? Alright, thank you very much. Okay, I shall see you again. Well, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Wish you good luck in your New York session with bountiful profits and Wadi. Well, of course, not forgetting Wadi. A lot of profits in your gold trading, huh? Okay. Thank you very much, guys. See you tomorrow. Okay, good luck.